joy in the formally declare the Pinyan Festival 2025 officially open. Sama-sama natin ipagkita ang saya, galing at kultura ng Barangay Cannery Site. Huwag po natin kalimutan na pagdiriwang na ito ay para sa ating lahat. Bata man o matanda, bawat isa ay may bahagi sa tagumpay ng ating barangay.
To the people of Barangay Cannery Site, I salute you for keeping this tradition alive for 18 strong years. This festival is a shining example of what we can achieve when we work hand in hand, when we dream together, struggle together, and celebrate together.
Atong hinumduman nga ang tinubdan sa tinuod nga kalampusan mao ang panag-iusap, pagkamagtinut-anon ug gugma sa atong barangay. Padayon ta sa tamang direksyon para sa katawhan Barangay Cannery Site ug sa makausap, Happy Pinyan Festival kanatong tanan.
Matamis na pinya, makulay na kultura, makisadyata, Pinyan Festival na!
As long as we are your elected official or public servants here sa Barangay Cannery Site, we will be giving our best what is due to our constituents diri sa Barangay Cannery Site. Walay amuha para di kaninyong tanan.
Sabi ko nga kanina, ha? Opening pa di ay ni? When in fact, we have been in a series of events, dugay na kaayo. Tungod kaya nga itong celebration is a month-long festivity. Pangitaon sa mga katauhan sa Cannery Site na talaga namang nag-elevate tayo when it comes to how we entertain the people of Barangay Cannery Site. And so even the people who are coming here witnessing our Beyond Question Pinyahan Festival, no?
Pinyan Festival is not just about pineapples. It's about unity and people. So may this festival inspire us to keep our cultural life and strengthen our bond as one family.